What is up, Interceptor Squad? Welcome back to another video. Not just any video, the first video of 2019. Now, you guys are probably wondering, Notorious, where the... Yeah, by the way, I need to get new windshield wipers. Those are very, very bad. I've been for the past 2 freaking weeks. If you guys follow me over on Instagram and or here on YouTube as well on the community tab, you guys will know that, well, long story short, I got really mad and punched my laptop and I wasn't able to upload a video. For the new year, I met up with another Taurus owner, another Interceptor sedan owner. Has the same exact car as me, same color, everything. He is 1 year newer and he has a push bar in his, but he was really cool. Obviously, we'll meet up again, but anyway, you know, the story was I went out, I met up with him, got a lot of great footage. Went home later that night to go upload that footage, you know, edit it and all that good stuff. And then about an hour into editing, my shitty computer and my shitty editing system just decided to corrupt. And I lost all, you know, all the progress I did. And I just got so mad, my anger got the best of me. To be honest, that computer was already old as it was. It was not even a brand new computer out of the box. I think that computer is like 10 years old or something. I don't know. Anyway, it was crappy. So it was only a matter of time before I either broke it myself or it just shit the bed on its own. But anyway, on that day, on New Year's, I actually went out and I bought a, New Year's Eve, sorry, the day I broke my laptop, I went out and I bought a $700 gaming laptop. It's an Acer Nitro 5. So I've been playing around with it a little bit. The editing system's obviously a lot more complex and a lot more advanced than my old editing system. So I've been trying to get used to it here and there. So that's why I haven't uploaded a video, you know, right away. I want to try to get used to, you know, the new editing system. Anyway, when I went to go on New Year's Eve to go order my laptop from Best Buy, that's when this whole thing happened where this crazy lady just came out of the right lane and almost came in and hit me. Luckily, I already knew that she was going to do that. I had a feeling she was going to come into my lane just by how crazy she was driving. I picked it up all on my dash cam, so you guys will see the dash cam footage from that. Obviously, I have to blur out some words or block some words because I was just furious that she, you know, almost freaking wiped me out. If she would have hit my Taurus that day with me breaking my computer and already aggravated and stressed out as I was, I don't know what would have happened. But yeah, anyway, I'll let you guys see the video. This is just gonna be a short video. Like I said, again, I'm still getting used to the editing system and all that, but 2019, guys, I promise is going to be a much better year for, you know, videos and all that. I'm going to upload a lot more regularly. I promise. That's one of my, you know, resolutions for this year and for this channel is to upload more often and create better content for you guys. And, you know, luckily now I have that new editing system, so I can at least, you know, improve the quality of my videos and all that. But anyway, I hope you guys, you know, enjoy. I'm sorry for being away for 2 weeks, but anyway, yeah, enjoy this lady almost taking out the Taurus. What the fuck?
Oh, like, dude,
race for you, are you kidding me? Yeah, I think anyone would like to have that.
versus that.
Hey! Watch where you're going! Watch where you're going! Unbelievable! 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 Fuck!
You got that on dash cam too.